I'm here with Mrs. McDonald's third and fourth grade student ambassadors.
Hello, today I'm with Mr. Cruz's fifth and sixth grade ambassador.
I'm here in Mrs. McNair's third and fourth grade classroom.
I'm with Miss Hill's first and second grade ambassador.
I'm here with Miss Campbell's first and second grade class. Can you share your names?
My name is Jude. And my name is Lucy. My name is Cleveland Rademacher.
Hannah McNair.
Lee Middleton.
Michael.
I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Fletcher.
Are there any fun things you guys are doing in the classroom right now?
Well, we're working on the Civil War. We went on a field trip yesterday for the Civil War stuff. We've been doing passion projects about whatever we wanted to do. We're doing this thing called extra math. It's with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we are really just testing our skills on how fast you could do it without messing up.
We have this new thing, and it's called an arrow garden with our new teacher. It's been really fun and exciting. We're growing lettuce in it, and it's been pretty fun.
They just sprouted!
We have been doing opinion essays in ELA, and we're trying to tell people our opinion on mine was, I think Green's Garden is the best restaurant, and I think it's really fun.
Well, what's going on right now is Spanish, and what spelling I do is third grade spelling.
Yeah.
And when I was in first grade, I did second grade spelling.
Yeah.
And next year, I want to go in third grade and do fourth grade spelling.
Okay.
We're learning about plants, and we're about to do. We're already the experiment and see what color is our going to turn into. We're making art from Piet Mondrian.
So it's this square art where it shares a bond with colors and stuff.
We went to Discovery Park of America a couple weeks ago.
Are there any fun field trips that are coming up that you guys are looking forward to?
Not that I know of.
If we get 15 marbles, then we can go to Miss McDonald's house and have a movie day. We are going to go to a courthouse next week, I think, on Thursday.
You guys can go catch up with your class.
All right, bye.
Not that I know of.
You ready?
What?
Ready? I'm going to record this, okay?
Did we do all that?
Okay, ready?